ServiceMaster Restores had years of experience in helping people restore their homes or offices back to normal after a flood or water emergency. So you can be sure that we'll restore your peace of mind. If you've unfortunately had water damage to your home, don't worry. We'll be with you every step of the way. Now, first, you want to act quickly, but don't try anything yourself. Time is of the essence, but making sure every detail is expertly covered is just as important. Water can flow into parts of your home that are hard to reach, and it's very difficult to know the full extent of the damage of your carpets, flooring, drywall, and other vulnerable areas. Unseen water damage can build up and create further damage. Call us and we'll send a technician over to perform an initial inspection and get a plan in action. We'll evaluate your carpets to determine whether they can be salvaged or not. If so, we'll help dry them out. If not, we'll suggest the next steps. We'll also inspect your drywall and furniture and determine the correct conditions to help protect them and start the drying process. We'll also evaluate any structural damage and its severity. Once we get a better idea of your situation, we'll begin the drying process and customize a plan that best fits your needs. Accidents happen. But if the worst does happen, just remember to breathe. We're here and ready to help.